Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Hyundai Tucson. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine, and comes with a 7-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, first aid kit, power steering, cargo net, cargo tray. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.